Welcome to VIP Auto TV, your go-to hub for the latest car reviews, deep dives into automotive legends, and everything in between. If you love iconic designs and cutting-edge innovation, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the rebirth of a classic, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Let's dive right in. A classic reborn. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a name that brings nostalgia to car lovers worldwide. Originally launched in 1955, it combined German engineering with Italian design, creating a car that was both affordable and aspirational. It became a symbol of style and elegance, winning the hearts of drivers for decades. Now, in 2025, Volkswagen has revived this beloved classic, blending its retro charm with modern technology. Iconic design, modern twist. Volkswagen knew they had to honor the original look, and they've done so in spectacular fashion. The 2025 model keeps its classic coupe silhouette, with flowing lines, teardrop-shaped headlights, and a low-slung stance. But it now features sharper creases and aerodynamic enhancements. The front grille has a sleek, futuristic design with LED lighting elements, giving it a unique character, especially at night. The side profile sits lower than traditional coupes, giving it a sporty yet elegant vibe. The 20-inch alloy wheels feature a retro-inspired multi-spoke design, another nod to its heritage. The rear taillights stretch across the body, integrating seamlessly with a subtle spoiler and dual exhaust outlets for a sporty touch. And let's talk colors. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes in a range of stunning shades, including a modernized pastel blue and a fiery red, both inspired by the classic era. Interior. Retro meets high-tech. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The dashboard keeps its minimalistic, clean layout, but don't be fooled. This cabin is packed with cutting-edge technology. At the center, there's a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Volkswagen's proprietary operating system ensures a smooth experience, while voice-activated controls add convenience. In front of the driver, a fully digital instrument cluster offers customizable layouts, letting you switch between classic analog dials or a futuristic digital display. The steering wheel is compact with capacitive touch controls, blending tactile feedback with modern tech. The seats come in premium leather or eco-friendly materials, with heating, ventilation, and memory functions for maximum comfort. And for the perfect atmosphere, you get 64-color ambient lighting, setting the mood for every drive. Performance, power, and efficiency. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. You can choose between two powertrain options. Turbocharged 2.0L gasoline engine delivers 250 horsepower and 275 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission for quick and smooth shifts. It does 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. Impressive for a coupe focused on style and comfort. All-electric model, a true game-changer, with dual motors producing 300 horsepower and instant torque. It goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, even faster than the gasoline version. The 77 kilowatt-hour battery gives it a 300-mile range, and fast charging gets you 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Handling and safety. Volkswagen made sure the Karmann Ghia delivers a fun, engaging drive. The adaptive suspension offers comfort, sport, and eco-driving modes, letting you fine-tune your ride. With precise steering and a low center of gravity, it's a blast to drive, especially on twisty roads. Safety is top-notch, with Volkswagen's full suite of driver assistance features, including White Heavy Check Mark Adaptive Cruise Control, White Heavy Check Mark Lane Keeping Assist, White Heavy Check Mark Blind Spot Monitoring, White heavy check mark, automatic emergency braking. White heavy check mark, 360 degrees camera and automated parking assist. White heavy check mark, advanced pedestrian and cyclist detection. Sustainability. A greener future. Volkswagen is pushing sustainability with eco-friendly materials and processes. The body panels use recycled aluminum, and the interior features sustainable materials, making it as kind to the planet as it is stylish. Driving experience. Fun and practical. Whether you pick the gasoline or electric version, the Karmann Ghia offers a thrilling yet practical experience. The trunk is spacious for a coupe, and the rear seats fold down, making it versatile enough for daily use. Pricing and value. Volkswagen has positioned the 2025 Karmann Ghia as a premium coupe. Moneybag gasoline model starts at $40,000. Moneybag electric model starts at $50,000. Considering its design, features, and performance, it's a great value for money. Who is it for? The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is for anyone who loves timeless design, advanced technology, and a fun driving experience. Whether you remember the original or just want a stylish and unique coupe, this car is sure to impress. What do you think? That's our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. What are your thoughts? Would you go for the gasoline model or the electric version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to VIP Auto TV, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Automobile, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe. Automobile.